What's up, guys? It's your boy Crazy Chris, back with another video. And this time, we're about to blow your minds with some seriously awesome life hacks. We're talking next-level genius stuff using everyday things you can find around your house. Get ready to transform your life with these simple tricks that'll have you saying, "Why didn't I think of that?" All right, guys, let's kick things off with a problem we all know too well, tangled cables. Seriously, who hasn't spent an eternity untangling headphones or charger cords? But fear not, my friends, because I've got the ultimate solution: binder clips. These little office supplies are about to become your new best friends. Just clip them onto the edge of your desk, shelf, or even a table, and thread your cables through the metal loops. Boom! Instant cable management. No more tangled messes, no more frustration, just pure organization bliss. And the best part? It's super cheap and easy to do. Next up, we're getting our green thumbs on and giving those thirsty plants the royal treatment with a DIY watering can made from a recycled plastic bottle. This project is not only fun and easy, but it's also a fantastic way to repurpose something that would otherwise end up in the trash. So let's dive in and see how we can transform an ordinary plastic bottle into a handy gardening tool. That's right, we're turning trash into treasure. By reusing plastic bottles, we're reducing waste and giving new life to materials that are often discarded. It's a small step towards a more sustainable lifestyle, and every little bit helps. Just grab an empty plastic bottle, give it a quick rinse to make sure it's clean and free of any residue. This is important because you don't want any leftover liquids or substances to harm your plants. Once it's clean, you're ready for the next step. Now take a sharp object like a nail, a needle, or even a small drill, and carefully poke some holes in the cap of the bottle. Be cautious while doing this to avoid any accidents. The number and size of the holes will determine the water flow, so think about how much water your plants need. You can make the holes as big or as small as you like, depending on how much water you want to dispense. If you have delicate plants, smaller holes might be better to avoid overwatering. For larger plants, bigger holes can help you water them more efficiently. Fill that bad boy up with water and voila! You've got yourself a custom watering can. But wait, there's more! You can even add a bit of fertilizer to the water if your plants need an extra boost. This way, you're not just watering them, but also feeding them with essential nutrients. You've got yourself a custom watering can that's both eco-friendly and super effective. It's a win-win situation for you and your garden. Plus, it's a great conversation starter when friends and family see your innovative creation. Your plants will be thanking you. They'll thrive with the consistent and gentle watering that your DIY can provide. So next time you finish a bottle of water or soda, don't throw it away. Instead, turn it into a useful tool that helps your garden grow. Happy gardening! Ever get frustrated when your clothes just won't stay put on those pesky hangers? I feel your pain. But don't worry, we've got the ultimate hack to end your hanger woes. All you need are some trusty rubber bands. Just wrap them around each end of the hanger, creating a non-slip surface that'll keep your clothes securely in place. No more frustrating slips, no more clothes ending up in a crumpled heap on the floor. This hack is a game changer for anyone who values a well-organized closet. Let's be real, we've all been there, trying to watch videos on our phones while holding it in our hands, our arms getting tired. The struggle is real. But guess what? You don't have to endure that discomfort anymore. I've got the perfect solution. A DIY phone stand made from a simple paperclip. Yes, you heard that right. A humble paperclip can be transformed into a handy tool that will make your binge-watching sessions so much more comfortable. Just grab a regular paperclip and unfold it. It's amazing how something so small and seemingly insignificant can be turned into something incredibly useful. Then, bend the two larger loops outward to create a stable base. This base is crucial because it ensures that your phone stand is sturdy and won't topple over easily. Finally, bend the smaller loop inward to form the support for your phone. This part will cradle your phone, keeping it secure and at the perfect angle for viewing. And there you have it, a free and easy phone stand that's perfect for watching videos, taking video calls, or just keeping your phone upright on your desk. Imagine the convenience of having your phone propped up while you cook, work, or even exercise. This DIY phone stand is not only practical, but also a fun little project that you can do in just a few minutes. Plus, it's a great way to repurpose those extra paper clips lying around your house. So next time you're struggling to hold your phone, remember this simple hack and make your own stand. Happy binge watching! Alright guys, it's time to tackle that dreaded drawer of doom. You know, the one where all the cords and cables end up in a tangled mess. But fear not, because we're about to transform that chaos into pure organization bliss, using something you probably throw away every day: empty toilet paper rolls. That's right, those cardboard tubes are about to become your cord organization's secret weapon. Imagine opening your drawer and seeing all your cords neatly arranged, each one in its own little compartment. No more digging through a tangled mess to find the charger you need. Just wrap your cords neatly and slip them inside the rolls. It's so simple, yet so effective. You can even get creative with it. Maybe you want to color code your cords by wrapping a piece of colored tape around each one before slipping it into the roll. You can even label each roll with a marker so you know exactly what's inside. Write the name of the device the cord belongs to, or even draw a little picture if you're feeling artistic. This way, you'll never have to guess which cord is which again. Stack those organized cords in a drawer, and boom! No more tangled mess, just pure cord nirvana. And the best part? This method is not only effective, but also eco-friendly. You're reusing something that would otherwise be thrown away. So you're not just organizing your cords, you're also doing a little bit to help the planet. Plus, it's a great way to get the kids involved in organizing. They can help you collect the toilet paper rolls and even decorate them if they want. It's a fun and practical project for the whole family. So go ahead and give it a try. You'll be amazed at how such a simple solution can make such a big difference. Happy organizing! Alright guys, imagine this. The power goes out, you're plunged into darkness, and you can't find a candle anywhere. Don't panic, because I'm about to show you how to create a makeshift candle using two unlikely heroes: butter and toilet paper. Grab a stick of butter from the fridge and find a small piece of toilet paper. Carefully carve a small well in the top of the butter stick. Then, twist the toilet paper into a tight wick and place it in the butter well. Light the wick, and congratulations! You've just created light in the darkness using nothing but pantry staples. Don't throw away those old socks just yet. They might not be good for much in the sock drawer anymore, but they're about to become cleaning superstars. Just grab a pair of old socks and get ready to give them a new lease on life. Cut off the toe area of each sock, creating a handy, reusable cleaning rag. These DIY cleaning cloths are perfect for dusting furniture, wiping down surfaces, or even cleaning up spills. They're soft, absorbent, and way more eco-friendly than using paper towels. You bet! Dull scissors got you down? Don't rush to the store for a sharpener just yet, because I've got a simple hack that'll bring those blades back to life using something you probably have in your kitchen right now: aluminum foil. Just grab a sheet of foil, fold it over a few times to make it thicker, and then start cutting. That's right, cut through that foil like you're cutting through paper. The friction from the foil will sharpen the blades of your scissors, making them good as new. It's like magic, but with science. Want to boost your phone's speaker volume without buying expensive speakers? I've got you covered. With this next hack, we're going to turn a simple paper cup into a makeshift speaker amplifier. It's so easy you won't believe it. Grab a paper cup, the bigger, the better, and carefully cut a slit in the bottom that's just wide enough to fit your phone. Slide your phone into the slit with the speaker facing down into the cup. And there you have it. A DIY speaker amplifier that will amplify the sound from your phone, making it louder and clearer. And last but not least, we're going to create a reusable ice pack using, you guessed it, a sponge. This hack is perfect for those unexpected bumps and bruises, or just for keeping your lunch cool on a hot day. Soak a sponge in water until it's completely saturated. Then wring it out slightly so it's not dripping wet. Place the damp sponge in a zip-top plastic bag and seal it tightly. Pop that bag in the freezer and voila! You've got yourself a reusable ice pack that's soft, moldable, and ready to soothe any aches and pains. So there you have it, guys. 10 mind-blowing life hacks using everyday items. Who knew you could do so much with stuff you probably have lying around your house? Now go out there, try these hacks for yourselves, and prepare to be amazed. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos, and be sure to let me know in the comments which hack was your favorite. Until next time, stay awesome.